Hello everyone, it's me Fida here with you. In this video, I'm gonna let you know how you can get rid of the freckles from your skin. Guys, if you are having a problem with the freckles, then this video could be helpful for you because here I'm gonna share you a mask that you can make at your home to get rid of the freckles with the natural ingredient. So guys, now we are going to start our video, and here I want to divide this video in three parts. The first part, it would be related to the benefits of the ingredients. The second part, it would be related to the ingredients with the quantity, and my last and the third part, it would be related to the complete procedure where I will let you know how to make the solution at home and how to apply on your skin. So guys, now we are going to our first part of the video where I will share with you the benefits of the ingredients. Lactic acid found in a sour cream is what makes it beneficial to remove the appearance of the freckles. Lactic acid is an effective skin lightening agent that is also gentle on the skin. Sour cream also acts as a peel to remove pigmented skin cells. Treating freckles with a sour cream also prevents the skin from drying out. These were some benefits of the ingredients what I have shared with you. Now we are going to our second part of the video where I will let you know what ingredients we are going to use for our solution. So guys, for this solution we have needed one ingredient, and that is sour cream. So guys, now I'm gonna let you know about the quantity. For quantity, if we are having the 2 or 3 tablespoons, that is more than enough to apply one time on your face. So guys, I have shared with you the ingredients and the quantity. Now we are going to our last part of the video where I will let you know how to apply on your skin. This is single step method, and our single step is apply the sour cream once a day. So guys, now I'm gonna let you know what you have to do for this step. Number 1, dip your finger in some sour cream and apply it over your freckle skin. Number 2, gently massage the sour cream over the skin and then let it dry on its own. Number 3, wipe the sour cream off your skin with the moist towel. That was a simple and easy procedure to get rid of the freckles from your face by using sour cream. What you have to do is just take the sour cream and start to apply on your skin. Here guys, I'm gonna add one thing for you guys. You may apply this cream on your face on daily basis until you will have the desired result. So guys, that was the remedy for today. Next time I will come with some other interesting solution. Till that time, take care.